Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this information helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my experience with Tbaytel internet services. Today we're diving into Tbaytel's internet offerings, which you can find on their website at tbaytel.net/shop/internet. Navigating their webpage, you'll discover a variety of internet packages designed to meet various needs and budgets. Tbaytel appears to cater to both residential and business customers, offering a range of speeds and data allowances. While exploring their site, I noticed they seem to emphasize fiber optic technology, highlighting its speed and reliability advantages. It's worth noting that availability likely depends on your specific location within their service area. They likely have a coverage map somewhere on their website that's worth checking out. I encourage you to explore their different plan options, paying attention to download and upload speeds, data caps, and of course, the monthly cost. Consider what activities you primarily use the internet for: streaming, gaming, video conferencing, or general browsing, and choose a package that aligns with your usage patterns. It's also important to look beyond the advertised price and examine any potential hidden fees or promotional periods. Look into contract lengths and early termination fees, as these can significantly impact the overall cost. Don't hesitate to contact Tbaytel directly if you have any questions or require further clarification about their services. Their customer service team should be able to provide you with the most up-to-date information on pricing, availability, and technical specifications. Comparing Tbaytel's offerings with those of other internet providers in your area is a smart move. This comparison shopping can ensure you get the best value for your money and find the perfect internet plan that meets your individual needs. Remember, a reliable and fast internet connection is essential in today's digital world, so take your time and choose wisely. Hopefully, this overview of Tbaytel's internet options has been useful. Don't forget to check the description for relevant links and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching.